Yes, we have to discuss today about the distributive property. So what it tells, last class we have written about this distributive property. Just we have taken one of the example. Which one? 105 multiplied by 25. We have to make this multiplication very easier by using the distributive property. How? Shall I write this as a 25 into 105? No problem. Why? Because commutative property exists. Ulta-pulti property exists under multiplication. Yes. Okay. Just I will keep 25 as it is. 105 shall I split as 100 plus 5? 100 into 5, I will write it as what? 100 plus 5. 105 into 25 is same as 100 plus 5 into 25 also. Both are same. So now I will do 25 multiplied by 100 plus 25 multiplied by 5. Here I have added and together I can multiply, that's also same. Then if I split that number, multiply each split parts, then you can add that product, then also you are getting the same answer. Shall we check it? Once again, one more example. Yes, 25 into 100. 25 into 100. 2500 or else 2500. You can say 25 paisa. Please, 25 paisa. 125. So just add these two. 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 2, 2. 5 plus 1, 6. 2 as it is 2625. This product. 25 into 105 is what? 2625. Yes, but we have done 100 into 25 plus 25 into 5. How it's correct? Shall we verify? So what we have done now? This 25 into 100 plus 25 into 5. We have done. But we can do that directly. Then also we are getting the same answer. What is the direct? 25 paisa. We can multiply your old method. 25 into 105. 25 paisa. 125. How much carry? 12 carry. 25 into 0, 0. 0 plus 12, 12. So I will keep 2 here, 1 carry. 25 1 ja. 25 plus 1, 2, 6, 2, 5. Again our answer, 2, 6, 2, 5. In the sense, we can split this number and multiply each part separately. Then we can add that product. That also same here. So our distributive property tells here what? A into B plus C means here A into any one of the number. A into any one of the number or A into S. A into S. I can split this S as what? B plus C. This number, second number or first number, whatever you want. You have to split it. B plus C here. So now first of all what I have done, 25 into 100 means A into B. A into B plus this 25 into 5 means A into C. Clear? So it is A into C. A into B plus A into C. So what is this distributive property here? A into the bracket B plus C is equal to what? A into B plus A into C. We can split this second number, then separately we can multiply, then finally we can add the product, that also same. Shall we take again one more example here? Bhuvan, what happened? Bhuvan, are you okay? Bhuvan. Yes, it is under addition over the multiplication. Under addition over the multiplication. Okay, just we have to take some example, one example here. Any one example, your own. Please tell me, 6 into one 3-digit, 4-digit number. No? 205. Oh, directly you can multiply, but make that multiplication so easy here. How? I will keep 6 as it is. Then 205 split as 200 plus 5. No issue, no problem. So now 6 into 200, 6 into 5. Then we have to add that product. 6 into 200 plus 6 into 5. Yes? Okay. 6 into 0, 0, 6 into 0, 0, 6 2s are 1200 is plus 6 5s are 30. 1200 plus 30, 1230. This is a product. You can check here. 6 into 5, 6 5s are 6 5s are. All of you are sleeping. Good, very good. Long back. I have taken the class, so you don't know who am I. All of you are sleeping. Please interact with me. You can answer. You have to answer for me. 6 5s are 30. 0 here. 3 carry. 6 into 0. 0 plus 3. 3 itself. Yes. 6 2s are 12. 1 2 3 0. 1 2 3 0. Here also. 1 2 3 0. Both are equal. Means we can write A into B plus C as what? A into B plus A into C. This is a distributive property under which operation? Addition over the multiplication. Clear? Okay, just note down this example. Yes, take it fast. Please, all of you join here. Just 40 members are here. Please come and join fast. Kushi, Chetan, please all of you on your video. I want to see your face. After long back, I came to the class. So please, I want to see your all faces. All of you on your video. Yes. On your video, Nishant, Sejal, uniform. Everyone, there is no uniform. Bhuvan Gujanavar on your video. Nishant, your uniform. Nobody wore the uniform today. Good. Srishti, Moksha, Rashmi, Tanu, uniform. No uniform. Good. This is a systematic seriousness regarding the school. Please wear the uniform. You have to feel like I am sitting in the classroom. Manoj, Sahana. Yes, Sahana, which ready over the uniform. Good girl. Apeksha Sonar, Purvi, Jayashree, Mohammed, there is no uniform. Gauri Mirji, Samar. Yes, Gauri wore the uniform. Good girl. Yes, I hope you have completed this one. Shall I give one more example? One more? Ready? Okay, take here. By using the distributive property, we have to find the product of two larger numbers. Just I will give now. 20 into 2005. 20 into 2005. Find the product. First you have to split that 20 into, in the bracket what you can write? 2000 plus 5. You have to split that 2005 as what? 2000 plus 5. So 20 into 2000 plus 5. Now 20 into 2000 plus 20 into 5. Find the product and add these two. You will get the answer. Do it fast. 20 into 2000 plus 20 into 5. 20 into 2000 how much? Don't see here. You have to calculate and tell the answer. Sir, look at me, sir. What's your answer? 20 into 2000. 20 into 0, 0. 20 into 0, 0. 20 into 0, 0. 20 into 2. 40. What's your answer? 40,000 plus 25 is Very good. At least you have remembered this one. Now 40,000 plus 100. 40,100. This is the product here. Yes. Now you can verify here. You can find the product. If it is equal to 40,100, yes, our distributive property exists under addition over the multiplication. Open your book. 6 minutes that class. Okay. 20 into 5. Please tell me. 100. 10 carry. 20 into 0. 0. 0 plus 10. 10. 1 carry. 20 into 0. 0 plus 1. 1. 22 is 40. 40,100. Again our answer same. 40,100. Clear? Is it clear? What distributive property exists here? Shall we take any one of the negative number? Negative integer. One it is a negative integer. One more it is a positive integer. Whether it is exist or not, we will check. Shall I give one more example? Yes, take here. So I hope you are writing this one. So please fast you have to make them. Make it right. Write it fast. Is it visible by green color? Yes, it's clear. No issue. Okay, shall I give one more example? Ready? Let's take now. Minus 15 into 997. Find the product. 997. This is a next rule, distributive property under subtraction over the multiplication. How to split this 997? How we can write it? What? 900 plus 97. So 97 again 15 into 97, it is a lengthy process. 900 plus 90 plus 7. No. Very good. 1000 minus 3. How much answer? 1000 minus 3 is how much? 997. Okay. You can split it as minus 15 into 1000 minus 3. 1000 minus 3 in the sense what? 997. 1000 minus 3 means what? 997. Now what we have to do? 15 into 1000. We can take this one as a plus 15. Then we can select one more negative number. Okay? 15 into 1000. Then minus of 15 into 3. Yes, clear? Okay. 15 into 1000 minus 15 into 3. 15 into 1000. 15,000 minus 15 3s are 15 3s are 45. Good. Okay, now subtract it. In 15,000 we have to remove just 45. Yes, 10 minus 5 5. 10 minus 5 5. 10 minus 1 9. 5 minus 1 4 1. So how much remaining answer? 14,955. But we have to verify this one. How? Already we know the 15 table. We can multiply. Yes, clear? 15 sevens are what till 120. 120. Good boy. Now you are in a 7th standard. Still you don't know the 15 table. So please once again revise it. Yes. 15 sevens are 105. 10 carry. Clear? 15 nines are 135 plus 10. 135 plus 10. 145. 14 carry. Okay. 15 nines are 135 plus 14. 135 plus 14. How much? 9 4 1. How much? 149. 149 means our answer same. 14,955. Both are same here. Yes. But miss, still now adjust. Yes, come our next statement, that is distributive property under subtraction. We have to write that, we have to split this number as b minus c. Now we have taken 1000 minus 3, same like that way, b minus c. What we have done here? A into b minus of a into c. Here what we have to write? A into b minus c, it is equal to what? A into b minus a into c. Clear? So this is a distributive property under subtraction over the multiplication. So this is the distributive property under addition over the multiplication. Clear? Shall we write that rule? Okay. Distributive property under subtraction over the multiplication. What it states here? A into b minus c, it is equal to what? A into b minus a into c. Clear? Same here we have done 997. We have split as b minus c, means 1000 minus 3. Here 15 into 1000 minus 15 into 3. We will multiply here. Then in this first product we will subtract the second one. We will get the answer. Shall I give one more example? Ready? Ready? Okay. Shall I repeat? All of you, is it over? I am asking to everybody here. Is it over? Please interact with me. At least show your hands like this way. Yes, madam, over, like this way at least. Be here. All of you on your video? Yes, good. Only one boy, Samar. Samar is also not showing his face, only hand. Okay, Kushi. Yes, okay, good. Who is this one? Chetan. Chetan, okay. Yes, good. Nishant, please show your face, sir. Bhuvan. Okay, Nishant, Bhuvan. Okay, good, good. Moksha, Srishti, Rashmi Galgali, Omkar, Neelambika, Shraddha, Sahana Kolkar. In which room you are sitting, madam? Under dark condition. How can you see? How can you write? Okay. Take here another example. Yes, take here. So don't sleep, it is not a sleeping class. Huh? Okay. Next example. Verify yourself. 23 into 99. Very interesting number. 99. How can you split this one? 100 minus 1. 23 ones you can answer. 23 hundreds you can answer easily. Yes, it gives the very easiest multiplication. This distributive property. Yes, do it fast. 23 into 99. Do it fast. All of you, how many of you have done? Please show me your answer. Please hold your notebook in front of the camera. Yes, how many have completed? Abhishek, Srishti, Sahana Kolkar, Rakshita, Anushka, Samarth, Yajna Chabbi. Where are you, madam? Please on your video. Vaishnavi, Sejal, Sahana Kyadi. Please all of you on your video. Pratham, Adarsh Desai, Nagapradnya, Indira. Yes, Indira, have you done this one? Yes, show me your answer, madam. Is it clear? Got the answer? What's your answer? 2237. 77. Okay, 2277. Again, any changes? Any different answers? Still not getting madam. Okay. 23 into, I will split 99 as what? 100 minus 1. Is it possible? Yes, 100 minus 1 also 99. Now, we will write it as 23 into 100 minus 23 into 1. minus 23 1 ja 23. Okay, now the task is in 2300 we have to subtract the 23. People are doing means 2300 minus 23 0 0 330 220. Please don't keep like this way. Yes, 3 in the ones place you have to take below the 0 and 2 in a tens place. Now you have to subtract it. Clear? Sometimes during a very fast condition, miss, I am in a test condition, so I did like this way. Means your answer also big 0, your marks also big 0. Please be careful. 2300 minus just 23 it is. Clear? 10 minus 3 7. 10 minus 3 7. 3 minus 1 2 as it is 2 2 7 7. Yes, our answer 2 2 7 7. Clear? Shall I give one more? All of you ready? Is it interesting or boring? Interesting. If you did the answer. If you are not doing the answer, for them it is boring only. Yes. Maths class, who is interacting, who is doing the calculation with me, for them it is very interesting. Who is not doing anything, who is not writing anything, for them it is boring. Clear? Okay. Just take now. Very easiest question you have to take now. Shall I give one more? Ready? Okay. Yes, take here. Very interesting. 35 into 19,000. Sorry, okay, 9,000 enough. 9,998. 1000 minus 2. Please think of 10,000 minus 2. It is 9,998. Please do it fast. Within the fraction of second, you have to show me the answer. Do it fast. Yes. How we have to split this one? 35 keep as it is. 9,998. We can write it as what? 10,000 minus 2. 10,000 minus 2. So now A into B minus A into C. So please do it fast. 35 into 10,000. 35,000 minus 35 into 2. 70. In 35,000 you have to subtract 70. You will get the answer. 34,000. Please tell me fast. How many of you have done this one? Please show me your answer. Hold your notebook in front of the camera. Please interact with me. Show me your answer. Please show me your answer. How many of you have done? Nagapradnya, where are you, madam? Swasti Vastra, all of you are sleeping here. Nobody is not showing here. Manoj Koradi sleeping. Shriya, Anushka, Mohammed. Me simply am watching the TV. Yes, good. One of the answer I am getting here. What? 34,900. 34,930. Okay, we will see the answer. Apeksha. Okay, again anybody? Have you completed again? Please show me your answer. Nobody. Okay. We will check your answer, Apeksha. 35 into 10,000. How much? 35,000. Minus 35 into 2. 70. Or else shall I include one more step here? What? 35 into 10,000 minus 35 into 2. Okay. 35 into 10,000. 35,000 minus 35 2s are 70. Okay. Now the task is In 35,000 we have to remove the 70. Yes? Okay. 0 minus 0, 0 itself. 10 minus 7, 3. Next 10 minus 1, 9. 5 minus 1, 4. 3 as it is. 34,930. Apeksha Sonar, your answer is exactly correct. 34,930 is the exactly correct answer. Clear? Same answer? Okay. Now, shall we close this one? Now we will go for the another one property, that is additive identity as well as multiplicative identity for the integer. So, which property? Identity property we have to see now. What is meaning of identity? Ideal. Avanthara ideal irtane nodri, avanthara separate irtane nodri. Identity. Avu elli hodru identify agtane nodri. So, what is that identity? What is that special character? Who has that special character in the integer? We will see that identity property. Yes, this descriptive property, is it clear now? Why we have to use this descriptive property in our maths? Anybody got the hint? Why we have to learn this one? Very good. To get easily the product of big numbers, very large numbers, product we can find very easily by using the distributive property. Yes, this is a main beneficial point in the distributive property. For that purpose we have to study this distributive property. Yes, okay. Next one, identity property. Yes, identity. Identity means, suppose you are adding one of the number with any number, again you are getting that same. You are adding with the green color 0, your answer is either 0 or green color marker. Okay, now I have a green color marker here. I am adding 0 with this green color marker. What is our sum? Green color marker only. Yes, what's our sum? That green color marker. I am adding 0 with the one of the best boy in your class. Who is it? Who is it? What's your name? Rohan. Who is it? Rohan. I am adding with the 0 like Rohan. Again one more 0. Am I getting 0 or Rohan? Rohan only. Again I am getting the Rohan only. Yes? Yes? Means this 0 shows here. It will not show its any reaction here. Simply it's present here, but it will not give any values here. It will not react here. Means it's sitting as a ideally. It's sitting as a ideally. So what is the additive identity for the integer? 0. Whatever you have to add with any integer, you can add 0. Again you are getting that same integer. Suppose this green color marker means here minus 2. Minus 2 plus 0, again you are getting what? Minus 2 itself. Rohan means 10. 10 plus 0, again its answer is 10 itself. You can add with a negative integer that 0, again you are getting a negative integer. You can add 10 with a 0, again you are getting that positive integer only. Yes, clear? Is there minus 0 and plus 0 like that different? No. Why? Because 0 neither positive nor negative. Ikkadinu illa, ikkadinu illa. 0 it's just a constant. Yes, clear? Okay. Which is the additive identity? Additive identity or additive element in the for the integers. 0 is the additive element for the set of integers. Yes? Okay. Identity means it will not react here. Ideally it is sitting here. Yes? You can take here 2 plus 0. Take an example, then you can write 2 only. Minus 3 plus 0, again minus 3 only. Minus 100 plus 0, again minus 100 only. 20,000 plus 0, again your answer, that number itself. If you add 0 with any number, if you get that number itself, then 0 is react as what here? Additive identity element. Yes, ideally simply it is sitting here. Means for the set of integers, what is the additive identity here? Additive element is what here? 0. Yes? You can write 0 is an additive identity for the set of integer. For the set of integers. Clear? You may get enough fill in the blanks or objective type question or one word answer. What is the additive identity for the integer? Which number, what number we are calling as the additive identity element for the set of integer? 0. Which is the additive identity element for the set of integer? 0 is the additive identity element for the set of integer. Same way, in the product also one of the number it will not react here. Which one it is? In the product also, for example, 3 into something, again you are getting 3 itself. 1. 0. Guan. 0 into Guan also 0 itself, not a Guan. But Guan plus 0 it is a Guan. But Guan, this Guan into 0 is 0 itself, not a Guan. They will not come here. Yes? 0 into any number, again 0 itself. But here 3 into 3 is 3. 1. 3 into 1 is what? 3. Or else you can take minus 19 into 1 is how much? Plus 19? No. Minus 19 itself. Means here 1 simply ideally it is sitting here. 1 it is a multiplicative identity element for the set of integer. You can multiply 1 by any integer. Again you are getting that number itself only as a product here. Clear? So 1 is a, we can take another example. Minus 200 into 1. Minus 200 only. Plus 500 into 1. Plus 500 only. Yes, it means yes, it means 1. What it is? 1 is the multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity element for the set of what? Set means what here? Group. Group of the number. Set means what? Group. Set of integers. Clear? Which is the additive identity element for the set of integers? Additive 0. Multiplicative
1.
additive
0.
multiplicative
1.
which is the additive identity element for the set of integer?
0.
Multiplicative identity
1.
additive identity
0.
multiplicative identity
1.
additive
0.
additive
0.
multiplicative
1.
additive
0.
multiplicative
1.
additive
0.
multiplicative. Clear? Please be remember this one. Okay. Now we have to see some of the interesting products, that is negative numbers. Suppose if you multiply minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, how many times? What is your answer? We will check it. Yes, Kulkarni sir, I hope you are getting bored. Huh? Kulkarni sir. Okay. Shall I drop it? Everybody have written this one? Yes, over? Still not it? Okay. Okay, it's not visible to you. Take it. Yes. Out of 44 members, now you became 39. Very interesting. Good. Very interesting. So one by one you are getting out. Sir, very interesting topic we are discussing here. So it is a very basic concept to you throughout after your PUC. Yes, it is a very interesting fact as well as very basic necessity. You will learn based on this one up to PUC. If you don't know this knowledge, you may not understand the future concepts. Please be concentrate here. Please don't get exit. Okay. Now, just I will show you one of the concept, that is, if you multiply minus 1 100 times, what's your product? If you multiply minus 1 90 times, what's your product? We will get it very easily. Yes? So already you know the integers, multiplication of the integers. What are the rules already have discussed? Yes, we have saw already what it is. Plus into plus, plus into plus, plus itself, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus, then minus into minus, plus. Yes, you got clear while studying the multiplication of the integers. Suppose plus divided by plus, your question. Positive integer divided by positive integer. Again you are getting the answer in terms of positive only. Your quotient is positive only. Then positive divided by negative integer. Minus. Minus divided by plus. That also minus. Minus divided by minus. Plus. Okay. No need to remember this one. If you remember this one, you may get both are same. In addition, in multiplication as well as division, both are same here. Okay. Plus into plus, plus into minus, minus into plus, minus into minus. Plus, sir? 100%? Yes. Okay. Now, just I will take here minus 1 into minus 1. What's your answer? Plus 1 or minus 1? Plus 1. Correct? See here, minus into minus. Plus 1 1 ja. 11 Yes, that is 1 itself. Okay. Now I will take minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. What's your answer? 1. Plus 1 or minus 1? Be fast. Plus 1. Please think of. Already while studying the multiplication of integers, we have done this one. Plus 1 or minus 1. Do it. Okay, let us see here. Minus into minus. Minus into minus. Plus 1. This minus 1 as it is. Plus into minus. Minus you are getting. Or else in a single line I can multiply. Minus into minus. Plus into minus. Minus 1 1 ja. 1 1 ja. Your answer minus 1 miss. ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus 1 ಬತ್ರಿ ಯಾಕೆ minus 1 ಬತ್ರಿ ನಂಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ರಿ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಿ. Why? Here we got the plus 1, here we got the minus 1. Or else you can take one more. You may get later minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. What's your answer? Plus 1. How? We can multiply minus into minus, plus into minus, minus into minus, plus. Okay. Plus 1 1 ja, 1 1 ja, 1 1 ja. Okay. Plus 1. Miss Mat Divya plus 1 3. I don't know. Please think of yourself why we are getting here plus 1, why we are getting here minus 1. One more? Yes, 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1. Yes, your answer is 5 means again minus 1. Again read magic is everyone. Plus minus 1 plus minus 1. What is that magic here? Think of just here minus 1 multiply how many times? 2 times. Here minus 1 multiply how many times? 3 times. Multiply minus 1 how many times?
4.
Here
5.
5 times. What is the difference here? Are you getting? Yes, what?
In 2 tables, what?
Not in 2 table. Even number of times,
Yes.
odd number of times. Yes, you are getting here. Minus 1 you are multiplying odd number of times. Here also minus 1 you are, even number of times. Then here odd number of times. Then here even number of times. Here odd number of times. If you multiply the minus 1 even number of times, you are getting a plus 1. Both interesting. Then if you are multiplying minus 1 odd number of times, again you are getting the answer as minus 1. Next time, if the product is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 into minus 8. First you have to think of while observing the sign, how many negative integers are there, whether they are in odd number of times or even number of times. If they are in odd number of times, directly your answer in terms of negative only. If it is even number of times, positive. First you think of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means odd number of times. Your answer always in terms of negative. 1 1 ja, 1 1 ja, 1 1 ja, 1 8 ja. Directly you can write. This time you cannot count. Minus into minus plus. It will be plus 3. Next, plus into minus, minus into minus 3. Please don't do like that. You may get confused. So for that purpose, what we have to do? How many times the negative integers occurs here? How many times the negative integers are comes here? Just you have to observe. If the negative integers are in even number of times, your answer in terms of plus. Negative integers in odd number of times, your answer negative. Clear? Even, positive, odd. That is even number, odd number, not even number of times. Number of times. How many times it repeats? That you have to consider. Even number of times, positive. Odd number of times, negative. Even times, positive. Odd times, negative. I hope it gets clear. No problem. Now, all the concept what are there in the integers we have studied. Now it is the time to discuss the exercise problems. Very easiest. Already first exercise we have completed. So just we have to see. Swasti Vastra, you told me that I complete that monkey problem. Okay. So now the time over. Monkey problem. After that, today I am giving to you one of the homework, that is 1.2. Page number. I hope everybody got the textbook. Yes, everybody have taken the textbook. Have you collected or not? I hope everyone you have collected. Page number 9. In the page number 9, your 1.2 exercise. 1.2 exercise. Just try to solve only. There are 4 questions here. Try to solve this one and send your solution, means this exercise, through the WhatsApp. Today itself I hope will you solve? Yes? So easiest concept it is. You can do it. Yes? So please solve the exercise 1.2. Leave place for your monkey problem. I will explain. It is very interesting. Why I am giving the time to you? You can try. Try once, twice, thrice. You will get the answer definitely. If you will not get, yes, I will be there. I will solve that. Clear? So what's your homework tomorrow? 1.2, page number 9. Just there are 4 questions. Means tomorrow Saturday, then again Sunday also we have time. No problem. You can. If you solve this 1.2, you can solve 1.3 also. 1.3 exercise. 1.3 exercise. It is based on 1.3 exercise, page number 21. Just totally it is based on the product. Multiplication of the integer already have studied. Multiplication of integer have you studied? Yes. So 1.3 you can try to solve on Sunday. If you will get the time, means only you told 1.2, that's why we did not solve. Please don't say like this way. If you get the time, if you get clear these all the answers, you have to solve 1.3 also on Sunday. Then show me within Monday. Means you have to send your solution, you have to send your note, what you have written, that copy, send through WhatsApp. Is it clear? Okay. Now it is the time to end up your today's session. So now I will allow you to talk with me. If you have any doubt, please you can ask me.